Hello, everyone. Welcome back to WeeklyTools. Today, we have an exciting review for all the car enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the world of diagnostics with the ANCEL BD300 OBD2 Bluetooth Scanner. If you've ever wondered about the health of your car's engine and systems, you're in for a treat. Let's jump right into it. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. So, what makes the ANCEL BD300 OBD2 Scanner stand out? Well, first and foremost, it's a Bluetooth-enabled diagnostic tool that connects seamlessly with your smartphone or tablet. It's like having a mechanic in your pocket. Features and benefits. Full system diagnostics for BMW or Mini. Say goodbye to generic scanners that only read basic engine codes. The BD300 goes deep, accessing all systems on your BMW or Mini Cooper, from the engine and transmission to the ABS, airbags, and even the battery management system. Read and clear DTCs, check engine light on, no problem. The BD300 quickly identifies trouble codes, explains their meaning in plain English, and lets you clear them with a tap. Save yourself trips to the mechanic and keep your car running smoothly. Real-time data monitoring. Keep tabs on your car's vital signs like engine temperature, RPM, fuel consumption, and more. The BD300 displays this data in real time on your phone, giving you valuable insights into your vehicle's health. Performance testing. Unleash your inner race car driver. The BD300's performance tests measure acceleration, braking, and other metrics, letting you track your progress and compare it to other drivers. Battery registration and service functions. Need to replace your car battery? The BD300 handles battery registration and other service functions like EPB, reset, and oil light reset, saving you time and money. Easy to use. No need to be a tech whiz. The BD300 comes with a user-friendly app that guides you through every step, making car diagnostics accessible to everyone. Connecting the BD300 to your phone is a breeze. Just plug it into your car's OBD2 port, download the ANCEL app, and follow the on-screen instructions. Pairing takes seconds, and once you're connected, you're good to go. The BD300 is one of the most cost-effective scanning tools available for BMW Mini Cooper owners, supporting suitable for all BMW car series, Mini Cooper R series, and Rolls-Royce, etc. As a universal OBD code reader, the BD300 is suitable for all gasoline-powered vehicles in 1996 and newer. Supports 8 different languages, more than 60 US, Asian, and European vehicle brands, and over 10,000 different vehicle types. Here are some pros and cons about ANCEL BD300. Pros: BMW or Mini specificity. Easy to use. Feature-rich, affordable. Lifetime updates. Portable and durable. Compatible with other cars. Cons: limited to BMW or Mini features for other cars. In conclusion, the ANCEL BD300 OBD2 Bluetooth Scanner is a must-have tool for car enthusiasts and deers. Its user-friendly interface, live data feature, and compatibility with various devices make it a valuable asset for anyone looking to understand and maintain their vehicle better. If you're ready to take control of your car's health, the ANCEL BD300 is the way to go. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive reviews and tips. Until next time, drive safe.